Hello everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, this will be the first week of September and I am using this beautiful kit from Hello Petite paper. It is called Autumnal Stroll and it's just so pretty, so very fall. And yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could
Alright, so let us start off with the base spread. I've already put down the washi and the headers. So this time, this is actually new from Hello Petite paper, like the washes, like the sidebar wash. So I wanted to use it and it's not exactly like the size of the column, but you know, it's still pretty with like the yellow trees. So that's why I'm like, yeah, let's go with it. And then I am using this big like deco. This is from foil deco. This is from let's see, the Pretty Pink Co. It might have been like a bonus freebie. So yeah, that's what I'm using here because it's like I wanted to evoke, like, you know, you're in the park, you're in the meadow somewhere, and you know, trees and birds, nature. So that is what I'm trying to put in this half of the spread. And then on the other half of the spread, I will be putting down like there are buildings in this spread. So there's like setting up like a building space with all the yellow trees, the different colors of trees, and you know, the swirl of leaves, which I do with the foil later on. So that's how I set it up. There's the house, there's a park, there's a gate, there's the bench. So yeah, it's just so pretty how I set this down because I'm like trying to complete a sort of scene, like you're in the neighborhood walking around and seeing all these pretty trees. And then yeah, that's what I did here. And then I put down the rest of the full boxes, or the box in the center. I put a box in the center with like the buildings in them, and then I'd like frame it up. And I just love how it turned out with that middle scene, with that middle box scene. After I probably do this, and then I go back, I think, to the sidebar after this one, where on the sidebar I'll be putting down more florals and some birds. And so look at that. So that's where I'm saying that I put down the house, and yeah, the sidebar, I work on the sidebar with more nature stuff. So the first half of the page is more nature stuff, and the second half of the page is more the houses stuff. So yeah, I just put down more florals because, you know, Hello Petite paper is known for her florals. And yeah, that's it for this base.
Oh, Emily, I wish that it'd be easy to be in love. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I fear. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
All right, so let's get to the day today. So today is actually, this day was Labor Day, I believe. Yeah, so Labor Day today. And then unfortunately, my daughter was sick today. So yeah, she had a really high fever, I think. So yeah, that UGG sick is from Blissful J Designs, who does custom scripts and who I PR for. And yeah, all my custom scripts are from her. And then we have, so of course, since my daughter is sick, she wants me to be with her. So the next thing I do is nap with her. So yeah, those cute pajamas are from Craftsmith How, who unfortunately is not open anymore. And then on the, while my daughter was sleeping, I was able to film my September bullet journal. Yeah, so yeah, that was great. And that was it for this Monday. The leaves, I believe I'm using from the same big foil that I got, so it might be from the Pretty Pink Co. All right, so on Tuesday, I was able to get some Happy Mail from, there you go, Hello Petite paper, and probably it's this kit that I got, maybe, I'm not sure, and an Afterlight book. So if you subscribe to Illumicrate and their Afterlight, you get this really cute books. But I actually stopped subscribing because I wasn't liking the books they were coming out with. So yeah, that was that. And then we had some food delivery from Uber Eats. We got some Racing Canes. And then after that, I was able to have another planning session where I was able to finish my September bullet journal. So yeah, because why is this on September 2 though, right? Usually I've complete the bullet journal before September starts. But anyways, it's okay. You can still do the bullet journals after. So yeah, so that really cute planner is an icon from the Pretty Pink Co as well. All right, so on Wednesday, we were watching the Mentalist. So it's this old series with this it's this guy who has psychic abilities and joining this like police force in solving murders. So it's pretty good. I really like it because he's so smart, and then he's able to read people. So yeah, pretty good. And then I was reading, what was I was listening to Atmosphere, which is by Taylor Jenkins Reid, and it's so good. I really like this story. So she does like historical fiction, and the story is about NASA and like the spaceship and how the relationships of the people in the story is so good. I just really love that book. Yeah, so that is Atmosphere. And then on Thursday, where did we go? Oh, I went with my husband to his doctor's appointment. And then after that, had a nap. Okay, so I had another nap. Yes, love it. And those pillows are actually an icon from Hello Petite paper. So yeah. And then I was reading next Shield of Sparrows. So this is a romantasy. And actually this one was like super long for me. It's like the book, I really had such a a hard time like finishing it. It's because it took so long and I wasn't figuring out. I'm like trying to figure out what is the story about. There's like you're left in the dark for the whole time and it just gets really exciting only when you're already like 75% in the book. So I'm like, oh my goodness, why was this story taking forever? So I think I won't pick up the next book in this series. So yeah, that is the Shield of Sparrow. All right. So on Friday, I was able to go to Barnes and Noble, and fortunately, I didn't buy any books. I was just browsing. Yay! So that's good for me, because of course we know Barnes and Noble has more expensive books. So every time I go to Barnes and Noble, I only look at their special edition ones or the ones that I don't really see anywhere. That's the only time that I'll buy a book from them. And then we got some takeout from Portillo's, McDonald's, and Poke. So that's a lot. All right. So on Saturday, I was reading this. I just finished. I listened to and finished Atmosphere. So yeah, good book. Taylor Jenkins Reid. I always love her books. So that's another good read. So the next one is I got some Happy Mail from this time from Paper Trail Plants. I got their cottage core kit, which I used in my, I think, October bullet journal. And yeah, it's so pretty. And then after that, I was able to edit a plan with me, which was still, this is September and I was doing the second week of May. So that's how delayed I am. But anyways, we just go on and do it. That's what I want to do. And then on Sunday, we went to Marshall's and Ross. I guess my daughter was looking for some stuff for clothes. She's so good in picking out clothes, and they're so much cheaper, of course. And it's like it doesn't. My wallet doesn't get hurt too much when she shops here. So we also, what else happened? I was able to film another plan with me. Okay, so I was able to film another plan with me. That's good. And after that, we got Uber Eats again for Burger King this time. So yeah, that is how I ended this week. It's so pretty. This kit is so pretty. I just love the transparent matte of like the florals, even if it's like dark colors. So it still shows even if it's like in transparent matte. I love how it blends in with the whole spread. So yeah, so that is it for this spread. This is the final wiggle. Yes, pretty in gold foil. Love that washi, the bottom washi. And then these are the leftovers from the kit that I'll be showing. So yeah, plenty more. Ooh, the florals. I have lots of that. And alcohol ink swatches. I didn't use the swatches here. And yeah, this is the spread. This is the Autumnal Stroll kit from Hello Petite Paper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!